Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to integrate Zoom with Clickfunnels. This is a great way to connect your funnels with meetings or webinars and make the registration process much smoother. Let's get started on the Clickfunnels dashboard. To integrate Clickfunnels with Zoom, we need to click on Workspace Settings in the lower left part of the dashboard. Once we're here, we will see the Integrations option in the middle left. We click on that, then click the search button and type Zoom. Then we click on Zoom to connect. A confirmation screen will appear. We just need to choose the account and click Allow. Once that's done, we need to save. Go ahead and save the settings for meetings. We can also save session details, like the name of our meetings, within the Zoom integration. The main purpose of this integration is to connect Zoom's video capabilities with Clickfunnels so we can automate webinar registration, appointment scheduling, and attendee management. And that's how we integrate Zoom with Clickfunnels.